The oil mixture, now milky and semi-solid due to the dispersed stearin crystals, is slowly agitated by ribbon blades.
The refined P-10 oil is stored in these temperature-controlled tanks under a nitrogen blanket.
Gas chromatography confirms the P-10 stability. With a low solid fat content at ambient temperature, the refined oil is verified for release.
The refined vegetable oil P-10 is presented with photorealistic clarity, confirming its end-use function as a stable cooking oil in the modern marketplace.
As you can see, the refined vegetable oil P-10 has a very high smoke point, making it incredibly stable.
The robotic mechanism precisely injects the refined vegetable oil P-10, leveraging its stability for an Refined vegetable oil P-10 is a versatile solution, utilized here as a specialized lubricant. Palm stearin residue, filtered off during process A, is transferred via enclosed screw conveyors.
The remelted, purified liquid palm stearin is pumped through a high-efficiency microfilter unit to capture The analysis confirms the high solid fat content at body temperature. We can authorize shipment. All weights confirmed. The load is secure for distribution.
In this processing zone, palm stearin flakes are blended into high-stability industrial shortening, providing the structure.
The palm stearin powder is precisely dosed into the liquid chocolate, enhancing the snap and heat resistance for optimal crystallization during cooling.
As you can see, the high solid fat content ensures a firm texture and ideal plasticity.
Finished chocolate bars, made with palm stearin to improve heat resistance, move along a rapid cooling conveyor belt.
Here in the packaging hall, the secondary fat component is transformed into consumer-ready soap at high speed.
The smooth, consistent texture is thanks to our specialized palm stearin. It maintains its structural integrity at body.
Molten palm stearin is mixed with asphalt and fibers, creating specialized, water-resistant roofing felt.
And with a final confirmation, the critical supply of palm stearin is secured, highlighting its enduring economic importance in the modern supply chain.